Workflow at a standstill because of the AMD IHK32.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. This DLL file is a 32-bit AMD In-Game Helper library. It facilitates the integration of AMD Radeon Software features, such as the in-game overlay and performance monitoring, within 32-bit gaming applications and multimedia tools. Enough of the technical side, let's get these files back onto your system. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of AMD Radeon Software to restore the AMD IHK32.dll safely. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the AMD IHK32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Most individual downloads of the AMD IHK32.dll lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes the AMD IHK32 related documentation. If this fix repaired the AMD Radeon software dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.